nga ba gumawa ng isang business plan, guys? So if you're someone who doesn't know yet or hindi alam kung paano gumawa ng isang business plan, guys, we are going to talk about here in this video. Ano nga ba ang business plan, kung paano nga ba ito gamitin, or paano nga ba gumawa mismo ng isang business plan. Kung bago pa lang kayo sa ating channel, guys, my name is Val and I am mompreneur. Sa ating channel na pag-usapan dito ay tungkol sa mga negosyo tips, business ideas, and creative ways on how to do business. For today's video, guys, it's going to be the episode 2 in how you can start your own business. So, kung hindi mo pa napapanood yung episode 1, guys, yung very first step in starting your own business, then please watch it here before you watch the episode 2. Kasi sa episode 2, guys, we are going to discuss the step 2 that I talk about from the episode 1, which is create your own business plan. So for today, this is going to be an interaction video, meaning gagawa tayo ng business plan together. From my previous video, guys, na-mention ko doon na ginamit ko ang business plan template ni Jillian Perkins. So, kung hindi nyo pa na-download ang template na yun, guys, please go ahead and download it. I will be putting in the description box below, guys. And then, please print it out. Kasi yun yung template na gagamitin natin in creating our business plan, guys. So, it makes our life easier kasi we don't need to create or we don't need to do it from the top. There's already a template ready that we just have to answer those questions in the document, guys. So, for those who doesn't know what is a business plan guys, is dito mo bubuuin kung papaano mo sisimulan ang inyong negosyo. Ito din yung magiging foundation ng negosyo mo, guys, para ma-identify mo yung negosyo na sisimulan mo. So, a business plan, guys, like a plan kung magpapagawa ka ng bahay. You are going to build a house, guys, you need to have a concrete plan para mas magiging strong ang foundation ng bahay ninyo. So, ganun din naman sa business plan, guys. Ito yung magiging plano mo para magiging concrete ang foundation ng negosyo mo. Para din naman maging systematic ang inyong negosyo. This is going to be an interaction video, guys, as what I mentioned. Meaning, gusto ko ninyong mismong i-download muna yung file na yon. We're going to answer together what is in the document. So, na-print out ko na yung business plan, guys, at saka na-fill out ko na rin yung kung anong meron dito. Yung gagawin lang natin is we're going to discuss one by one per pages, guys. For the first page, guys, if you already have the downloaded file and you have printed out, guys, the first page is going to be the overview. So, the overview consists of business name. So, kung ano yung pangalan ng business mo. Where do you do your business? Meaning, saan ang location ng business mo? Ano yung main product or service na ino-offer mo sa iyong negosyo? And then, yung mission statement, guys. So, for the business name, guys, actually, wala akong tip na maibibigay dito kasi I'm not good in creating a business name, but as what I have learned, guys, creating a business name, as what a friend of mine told me, na you have to list down names of the business, word that signifies or describe about yourself. Those type of tip, I don't know, but you can go ahead and search that, guys, if you need tips in creating your own business name. But I'm not good at it, so I can't give you tips. Next thing is the location, of course, kung saan mo ilalagay or saan nakabase ang inyong negosyo. Next is brief description of what your company does or what your business does. So let's say, for example, you are a snack bar that offers an affordable snacks for students in this area. So, mga ganong klaseng description of your business, guys. It's up to you on how you are going to describe your business. Next part will be the mission, guys, in the overview page. So, let me just share you what I wrote in my mission. My mission, it talks about the value to our customer. So, let me just read to you, guys, kung ano yung sinulat ko dito. I just wrote down that we seek to create and innovate satisfying snacks and beverages. We strive to grow our business with the same satisfaction for all the future people who will be involved in this business. So my business is not just about the customer but also with the employees guys who will be joining in the future. So for now we are just a small business, pero in the future if meron pang mga other people who are going to join the team, so I will strive to grow together with them guys, and of course with the business. Yun. Then the next part will be the chart of accountability guys. This chart, it shows who is responsible of what guys. So yun, there are 3 sections or departments in e-business. So the first one for that is the marketing, and then the next will be the production, and then the third will be the finance. So the marketing are the department who is involved in promoting, creating a promotion on how this team can inform the people of the business guys. And then there's a production, meaning they are the one who is going to produce the product or the service, and they are more involved in running the business guys on how they are going to deliver the product and the services. Of course, the finance team will be the one who handles the money involved in the business. So they are responsible for the incoming and outgoing of the money of the business. Next, or the page 2 guys, it talks about the message. So this page 2 guys, it's more on identifying the marketing structure of the business. So it shows here that the first question, what problem does your company solve for your customer? First of that guys is, ano nga ba yung problema na sinosolve ng business mo? So what I wrote down here is customers who are looking for a one-stop snack shop that's put their money into a satisfaction for their cravings. So it means that if they go to my shop guys, they will find a satisfying snacks guys that value their money. It's not that too expensive, but at the same time they're going to satisfy naman with the quality and with the amount that they pay of the product. Second question there is, what result does your company create for your customers? So put it here, or wrote down here guys, that they don't need to go and look for a different shop because we have the perfect combination of the favorite drinks and food. So, meaning there are actually a certain shop that only sell food but doesn't offer drinks. So what we do here in my business guys is that I offer a food, at the same time I offer the drinks, so that they don't need to go out and look for a drink that matches to their food. So this shop that I open, it definitely comes with the food and comes with the drinks that are perfectly combined. Yun. Next question is, how does your company create that result? So, paano ko nga ba siya ma-maintain, or paano ko nga ba siya makikreate ng resulta on how I can make the customer satisfied and feel valued on their money? So, I'll have to say that I have to maintain the quality of the products and making sure that that the products are always available when they are going to the shop and buy the product guys. Who does your company serve? Yung siniserve namin dito guys, or it actually mean who are your target audience. So yung tina-target ko dito guys is yung group of friends, kasi mostly nagpupunta doon sa shop can be like 2 friends, 3 friends, yung it can be even 5 group of friends guys na nagpupunta doon just to buy the snacks. And then also family members. Sometimes there are a family of 4, family of 3 the go together to the shop and take out for a food, for a snacks guys. And we also have the young professionals. Young professionals, meaning they are working like on my age, maybe between not more than 30 years old of age, kasi yung food na siniserve namin guys are for youngers. Yeah. Then the next question is, why should customers choose you over the competition? I am not just selling a product, but also I provide an experience with satisfaction. Meaning I provide them an experience from selecting the product, place the order, and getting the product, guys. Next is your proprietary system. So proprietary system, guys, it talks about on what are your step-by-step plan in creating the results. So I have the step 1, I mentioned here that I'll always be there. And then step 2 is be visible online. So meaning I should always have an active post in our social media account like Facebook page. So just like you guys, if you do have a Facebook page, if you do have an Instagram account, then you have to be actively posting, so that whenever future customers or future prospect customers might visit your online store, at least they already have an idea or what are the offers, and they could see na active talaga yung account, guys. So the third page, guys, it's all about the marketing, which is we are going to discuss is in the part 2 of this episode 2 of creating a business plan, guys. So it's more about detailed marketing. If you wanted to be with me on this business plan, guys, please go ahead and subscribe now, and then hit the notification bell, so when the time that I uploaded that video, you will get notified. So that's gonna be our next video. We're going to discuss more of the marketing, guys, and then we're gonna discuss on the products, which is more detailed na talaga. So I will be sharing that on the next video, guys, and hopefully you will still be there, guys. Okay? And that's it for now. I do hope na meron kayong natutunan at meron kayong idea na nakuha in starting your own business. So please don't forget to like this video and then share this to your friends and family na nangangailangan ng video na to or nangangailangan ng tips na ito, guys. And please, if you do have questions, don't hesitate to comment down below, and I will answer them via comment or might be via video, guys. So thank you so much for joining me in today's video, and I will see you next time. Bye!